All right, so let me go to the whiteboard. Now, what I think I have to do is I have to share, but I have to do this. So do you see the whiteboard? Okay. Do you see me writing on the whiteboard? Okay, excellent. All right, so we're going to do a couple of problems. We'll do two, and then if you feel like we need more than that, I have some more for us to do. So we'll do one horizontal and one vertical so you can see what those look like. Okay, so our first problem, we're going to use t as our variable. Okay, that's the whiteboard. Yep. All right, so the values that I know are 2, 3, and 4. Okay, what I don't, or what I know down here is 16 and 24. So what I want to do is I want to find the rule so that I can use the rule to find this missing piece. Okay, all right, just hold on. All right, so I'm going from 2 to 16. Okay, when I see 2 to 16, that means I'm increasing. If I'm increasing, it's either addition or multiplication. Okay, now, Elijah, tell me what you're thinking. Okay, so what would I, okay, so you're thinking 2 times 8 is probably our rule. Okay, now up here, what would I add to 2 to get 16? And I want to hear from more than just Elijah, please. So what do I add to 2 to get 16? Okay, so my choices are plus 14 or times 8. Okay, so I need to look here. If I have 3, is 3 plus 14 24? It's 17. So that doesn't work. So this is not the rule. Okay. Is 3 times 8 24? Yes. So I'm saying times 8 is the rule because this works here and this works here. Okay. So the rule is 8t. Okay. Remember 8t like that means 8 times t. Yes. So the missing value is 32. Okay. Now, I know that there's a pattern here. 2, 3, 4, 16, 24, 32. That's a pattern, okay? But remember, a pattern and a rule are different, okay? Because if I then have somebody that says, okay, your T is 100, okay, I want to figure out what this value is really quickly instead of doing out a pattern 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That would be too much. Okay, so to find this, I'm going to do 100 times 8. Well, 1 times 8, yes, yes. Okay, all right. Any questions on that one? Okay, on this next problem, Elijah doesn't get to talk. He's silenced. That means I need to hear from the rest of you. Because I know that you know, but they also need to demonstrate their knowledge too. So, Jada, Jalen, David, I need to be hearing from you. Ignore my dog. All right, so for this one, we will do a vertical. And our variable is e, okay? What I know, oh, I have more than that, is 4, 8, 12, and 16. Okay, and I also know 1, 2, and 3. All right, so I'm going from 4 to 1, which means I'm decreasing. So my choices are to subtract or divide. Okay, Jada, tell me, what would I have to take away from 4 to get 1? Four minus what would get me 1? Thank you. Good. Okay. Isaac, 4 divided by what gives me 1? What? Okay. Give it a second. Okay, so 4 divided by 4 would give me 1. Okay. All right. So my choices are, okay, somebody needs to mute themselves. Okay. So can anybody see the whiteboard right now? Okay. All right. Okay, so my choices are to minus 3 or divide by 4. Okay, both of those work for this first row. So for the second row, is 8 minus 3 2? Remember, Elijah is silent, so I need to hear from somebody else. Jada, Jalen, David, Isaac, is 8 minus 3 2? No. Okay, so minus 3 doesn't work. Okay, is 8 divided by 4 2? Yes. Okay, so I'm saying that the rule is divide by 4. Okay, so E divided by 4. But I have to check. Is 12 divided by 4 3? Yes, good. Okay, so that works. So now I need to figure out what 16 divided by 4 is. Think about it. 4 times what gives you 16? 4. Good. Okay, so the missing value there is 4. All right, so then I'm going to ask you, I'm going to stop sharing for a minute so I can see you all. Okay, do you want to do more problems or do you think you have it and you're ready for class or for your quiz? Maybe. Jada, what are you thinking? More problems? Okay. All right, so let me share again. Quickly. Mute yourself while you do it though. All right. So here's our next problem. This time we're going to use J as our variable. And we have 4, 9, 10, and 16. Okay, that's fine. You may go. Our values over here are 24, 63, and 70. All right, so I'm going from 4 to 24. So am I increasing or decreasing? Going up or going down? Up, thank you. Okay, so I'm either adding or multiplying. So 4 plus what is 24? 20. And 4 times what is 24? Okay, so my choices are plus 20 or times 6. Okay, so over here is 9 plus 20, 63. Is 9 plus 20, 63? Oh, okay, so plus 20 is not a choice. Okay. Oh. All right, so is 9 times 6? Oh, I have the wrong value there. This 63 shouldn't be a 63. I missed a row. That should be a 54. I messed up all over the place because that next value is wrong too. Yes. Okay, so let's check that again. All right, so is 9 times 6 54? Yes. Is 10 times 6 60? Okay, so all of these are times 6. So we would say that the rule is 6J. Okay, sorry guys. All right, so to find this value, we need to do 16 times 6. Okay? No, you can tell me this. What's 6 times 6? No, 6 times 6. Oh, somebody else. Who can tell me what 6 times 6 is? Hmm. 6 times 6 is 36, guys. Okay? And then 6 times 1 plus 3, 9. So this missing value is 96. Okay? All right. So that's the last one we're going to do together. All right. So now we're going to go, I'm going to pause the video.